Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. Today, we're going to experience an exciting walking tour in one of Canada's most picturesque cities, Vancouver. We'll be strolling from the charming Coal Harbour to the iconic Stanley Park, immersing ourselves in the natural beauty this area has to offer. So, let's put on our walking shoes and begin this adventure. As we start our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the history of Coal Harbour. In the past, this area was bustling with activity as a vital port for the lumber and fishing industries. The name, Coal Harbour, came from the coal trade that took place here in the late 1800s. Beyond its historical significance, Coal Harbour is also renowned for its natural beauty. The sparkling waters of Burrard Inlet stretch before us, offering breathtaking views of the North Shore Mountains. This picturesque setting has made Coal Harbour a popular spot for outdoor activities, like sailing and kayaking. The scenic waterfront walkway offers a pleasant stroll, where you can enjoy the gentle ocean breeze and take in the panoramic vistas. Don't forget to keep an eye out for local wildlife, including seagulls and even the occasional seal swimming in the waters. Oh, let me tell you about the sheer beauty of the harbor and the pathway for walking there. It's just breathtaking. The harbor is like a shimmering jewel, reflecting the sunlight in the most dazzling way. As you walk along the pathway, you'll be treated to the most stunning views of the water and the sky meeting in a perfect embrace. The pathway itself is a treat for your feet, smooth and inviting. It's like a red carpet leading you to a world of wonder. With each step you take, you'll feel a sense of freedom and peace, surrounded by the calming presence of the ocean. The feeling of the ocean wind on your face. It's simply invigorating. As the gentle breeze caresses your skin, you'll feel all your worries and stress just melt away. It's like nature's own refreshing touch, revitalizing your spirit with every gust. Walking along the harbor, you can't help but be drawn to the endless horizon ahead. The vastness of the ocean fills you with a sense of awe and wonder. You'll find yourself lost in the moment, as if time stands still, and all that matters is the beauty of the world around you. As we keep walking along the beautiful harbor, we'll see different types of boats on the water. Some boats are owned by rich people and used for their own enjoyment. These boats look very fancy and elegant. On the other hand, there are boats that people can rent for a fee. These rental boats are available for anyone who wants to explore the harbor and have some fun on the water. It's a great way for both locals and tourists to experience the beauty of the area. When the boat owners aren't using their boats, they can park them in special areas called marinas. These marinas provide a safe place for the boats to stay when they're not in use. It's quite a sight to see all these boats gently swaying in the water, making the harbor even more charming. It's fascinating to witness the different boats in the harbor, each offering a unique experience, from luxurious private cruises to affordable and exciting rentals. The harbor truly has something for everyone to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me, and if you ever find yourself in Vancouver, make sure to explore this enchanting route yourself. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting adventures. Until next time, happy exploring!